Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. I'm your host Ada and today we're diving into a topic I think many of us are curious about: how to make your kitchen look incredibly expensive without needing a completely cut it or spend a fortune. We all dream of those magazine-worthy kitchens, right? The ones that look sleek, sophisticated, and custom designed. But the reality is, you don't always need a sky-high budget to achieve that high-end look. It's often about making smart design choices and focusing on key details. So, I'm going to share 10 impactful ways to elevate your kitchen aesthetics. Whether you're planning a renovation or just looking for a simple ways to refresh your current kitchen, this tip will help you get that luxurious look. Let's get started with point number one. Alright, first up, a super easy one that makes a surprisingly big difference. Point number one, swipe small floor mats for long runners. Look at your floor space. Do you have small individual floor mats scattered around? Maybe in front of the sink or stove. While functional, this can sometimes make the space feel a bit disjointed or messy, taking away from that tailored look. Instead, consider replacing them with long runners. A single long runner that spans the length of your floor space can instantly make your kitchen look larger and more intentional design. It adds a softer finishing details, introduce color or texture, and ties the space together in a way individual mats can't. You can find durable, washable options that are both stylish and practical. Moving on to point number two, which is another simple fix that has a huge visual impact. Upgrade your countertop essentials. Think about the items that permanently live in your countertops: your soap dispenser, canisters, spoon rests, cutting boards, appliance. These functional pieces, when left out, become part of your kitchen's overall design. If they're mismatched, brightly colored packaging, or just look a bit tired, that can make your countertops look cluttered and less expensive. The trick here is to create a cohesive look with your countertop essentials, optional for natural colors or materials that blend seamlessly with your kitchen's color scheme. Remove packaging and store things like coffee pots or tea bags in stylish canister. Functional items like cutting boards can also serve as decor, adding warmth or acting as trays. By choosing items that work with your design, you make the space look more tidy and organized, even with things left out. Now, let's talk about a surface that's central to any kitchen: your countertops. Number three, choose a Huin countertop finish. When selecting a countertop material, you often have a choice between a polish, which is a shiny, finish, or a Huin, which is matte or velvety finishing. While polish can look sleek initially, these sources recommend going for a Huin finish to achieve a more elevated, expensive look. A Huin finish creates a matte, plated, or velvety texture that looks and feels more natural. Unlike shiny surfaces, it's less likely to show every single smudge, crumb, or imperfection, giving your countertop a cleaner appearance. The less shiny a stone is, the more natural it tends to look, which often translates to a more expensive perception. A hone finish is also described as timeless. Lighting is crucial in any room, and the kitchen is no exception. Incorporate layered lighting. To make your kitchen look high-end and functional, you need more than just a single overhead light. A designer kitchen incorporates three types of lighting: integrated, task, and mood lighting. First, integrated lighting often includes under cabinet lighting, which is fantastic for illuminating your wood space and making your countertop shine. This is a foundational layer for an elevated kitchen. You can add to this with toe kick lighting or in-cabinet lighting. While best plain, during a renovation, strip lighting or stick-on motion sensor lights can be added to existing kitchen. Number two, task lighting is your primary functional lighting. Think ceiling lights or pendant lights over an island. These are essential for visibility while cooking and prepping. Number three, mood lighting. Adds ambience and makes your kitchen feel cozy and inviting like any other room in your home. This could be a small lamps, sconces, or even picture lights framing art. Mood lighting helps create a relaxing atmosphere, perfect for evening baking or just enjoying the space. Combining these three layers adds depth, functionally, and a polished look to your kitchen. Now, let's talk about a major visual element is your cabinets. Extend upper cabinets to the ceiling. This tip is particularly used if you are planning a kitchen renovation. A key sign of a custom, expensive looking kitchen is when the upper cabinets extend all the way to the ceiling. That gap between the top of standard upper cabinets and the ceiling is often wasted space and becomes a natural dust collector. By taking your cabinets all the way up, it makes the kitchen look instantly larger and grander. It creates a seamless, built-in look that feels much more luxurious than cabinets that stop short. Still on the topic of cabinets, there's another style element seen in a high-end design. Incorporate countertop cabinets or appliance garage. Another feature seen in designer kitchens is the use of countertop cabinets. These are cabinets that sit directly on the counter and can extend from the counter all the way to the ceiling, creating vertical visual interest and adding dimension beyond just upper and lower cabinet runs. A popular type of countertop cabinet is the appliance garage. These are cabinets with door, often rolled up or lift up, where you can store appliances like toaster, blenders, or coffee makers, keeping them hidden away when not in use. This simple act of hiding counter clutter instantly makes your kitchen look much cleaner and more organized, contributing significantly to an elevated appearance. This next point takes the idea of hiding clutter even further. Hide appliance with panel ready options. In truly custom, designer kitchens, you'll often notice that the only visible appliance is the oven. How do they do this? By using panel ready appliances. Panel ready refrigerators and dishwashers are designed to accept a custom cabinet front that matches your surrounding cabinetry. This creates a seamless, integrated look where your appliances blend in perfectly, giving the appearance of a full wall of cabinetry. While often a larger upfront investment, this approach provides flexibility as you can change the panel if you update your cabinet style in the future. It's a definitive feature of high-end custom kitchen design. Let's talk about another major surface area in your kitchen is the backsplash. Go for a slab backsplash. When choosing your backsplash, there are countless options, but one that consistently gives a kitchen an expensive, timeless look is a slab backsplash. Instead of using individual tiles with crowd lines, a slab backsplash uses a single continuous piece of material, often matching or complementing your countertop. This creates a clean, simplified look that is less visually busy than many tiles patterns. A slab backsplash can draw attention in a bold way if using a dramatic stone or contribute to a very clean, minimalist look if using a more subtle material. It can also make your kitchen feel larger by creating a continuous line across the wall. While trendy tiles come and go, a slab backsplash offers a classic, safe, and elegant option. This point reminds us that the kitchen is more than just a functional workspace. Treat your kitchen like any other room. Your kitchen is often the heart of the home, a place for gathering and spending time. So why should not it feel just as welcoming and decorated as your living room or bedroom? To make your kitchen look more expensive and created, treat it like any other room. Bring in decorative details you love. This could include artwork leaning against the backsplash, hanging on a wall, or framed with a picture light. Add soft furnishings like window treatments, cafe curtains, or Roman sheets can add texture and warmth. Style moments with vase florals, or decorative trays. Kitchen often have many hard, shiny surfaces, so adding these softer, more decorative elements helps create a balanced, luxurious, and inviting space. Finally, for those who are feeling bold and want to make a statement, choose bold finishes. While timeless finishes are often recommended for longevity, sometimes making a strong design statement with bold finishes can immediately make a kitchen look incredibly expensive and unique. This approach isn't for everyone, but if you're into design and want a high impact look, it worth considering. Bold choices could involve selecting a moody or bright cabinet color that stand out, picking an interesting or dramatic stone for your countertops or backsplash that acts as an art piece, or choosing a funky lighting feature or a bold floor pattern. These deliberate statement making elements move your kitchen away from a generic builder grade look and give it custom, high end feel. And there you have it, 10 ways to make your kitchen look significantly more expensive. As we've seen, achieving that high-end designer look isn't solely about spending a fortune, it's about making thoughtful, strategic design choices. I truly hope these tips have inspired you and give you some actionable ideas for your own kitchen. Which of these tips are you most excited to try? Or maybe you have your own budget-friendly ways to elevate a kitchen. Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing your ideas. If you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful, please give it thumb ups. It's really helped the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more home decor, styling tips, and budget-friendly ways to create a home you love. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.